Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to enable battery saving mode on the following device. So at first slide down the upper bar, and now simply tap on the battery icon, which is here, and now you can simply activate the battery saver by tapping on this switcher. Just like that, power saving mode is active. Then if you would like to switch it off, just click on the same switcher one more time. If you would like to see some more settings, simply click on more settings, and here you have the detailed information about your battery. Then you can also click on battery saver over here. You can activate it manually for now, and you can also switch it off, and you can also select turn on automatically, so you can set a rule at 5 or 15% of your battery. So every time your battery is, for example, lower than 15%, then power saving mode will be automatically activated. And actually that's it. This is how you can use power saving mode. This is how you can enable it and disable, and also how you can set some automatic rule. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.